ito, hindi atin. Regalo ito ng Diyos. Hindi natin binabayaran. The only thing we do is just to receive the gift. At sabi ng John chapter 1 verse 12, to those who receive Him, He give them the right to become sons of God. So what is the opposite of receive? Reject. So those who reject the Lord Jesus Christ will not receive. Nakuha niyo po? Now, again, may falling away na tinatawag sa Bible. Bago po mahayag ang Antichrist in public, there will be falling away. Bago ang son of perdition, ang man of sin will be revealed. Ano yung falling away? Ang maraming believers,